This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Hyundai Kona Electric at home. We'll cover the two primary home charging methods, Level 1 and Level 2. You'll learn where to find your vehicle's charging port, typically on the front left side, and how to properly connect the charging cable. Understanding these steps ensures you can keep your Kona Electric powered up conveniently and efficiently right from your garage or driveway. Level 1 charging is the simplest option, utilizing a standard 120-volt wall outlet, just like plugging in any appliance. Your Kona Electric comes with an in-cable control box charger for this purpose. While convenient, it's the slowest method, typically adding around 4 to 5 miles of range per hour. A full charge from empty can take approximately 2.5 days, making it ideal for light daily driving or emergency top-ups. For much faster home charging, Level 2 is your best choice. This requires a dedicated 240-volt charging station, often installed by an electrician. It can deliver up to 10.8 kilowatts, drastically reducing charge times. For example, a full charge from 10% to 100% can take approximately 6 to 9 hours, depending on your Kona Electric's battery capacity and onboard charger. This is perfect for daily charging overnight. To ensure a smooth charging experience, always double-check that your charging cable is securely connected to both your Kona Electric's port and the power source. Pay attention to the charging status lights on your vehicle, which confirm that power is flowing. Many home chargers offer smart features, allowing you to schedule charging during off-peak hours, potentially saving you money on electricity costs. Happy charging!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.